cell phone in the other cars.
Hey, there's
Courteous to your fellow passengers.
a train backing up.
Trash receptacles and restrooms are located in each car.
Oh, the horse by
Safety
Amtrak
instruction booklets
923.
in the seat
Good.
back.
Was it a domestic audience or was it?
As you walk through the train, use the grab irons to balance yourself. You can walk through as much as you like, but there's no loitering in the doorway. What I mean is, if you're making your phone call, you don't stand in the doorway making your phone call. You don't allow that.
VO8 and VO4.
You do not hang in the doorway
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah, they must
for any
have
time.
sold them to Mark and with VRE.
They look like it.
Yeah.
Shoes and shirts must be worn at all times. Some people come to the cafe with no shoes
Oh,
on.
how much of a fund?
And we don't like to turn you down. The FRA, the FDA say that we can't serve you.
From who?
So we're used Random ID checks are in full swing.
Yeah. That's all right. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, why don't you just, I could have left that there.
It's okay, come on. Carry your ticket with you so we can punch it out. Also, sign the ticket if it was paid for with the credit card. Thank you for choosing Amtrak as your first stop. Please have all tickets out ready for collection. IDs upon request.
All right, be careful, okay?
Okay.
Shut the door. Let him come between us. Shut the door. Shut the door.
Cool, climb on the chair.
Hold on now. It's rocky back here. It's real shaky back here.
Yeah, no kidding. Like the back of a roller coaster.
Let me switch seats for 5 seconds. Let me play with that one, okay? Come on, I'm gonna show you the side, my man. I'll let him hop over here real quick.
All right. You want to switch over? Come over here, Tom. Well, they really got a small window to look at him.
Yeah. Show you a couple things.
All right, pay attention, Tommy.
Alright. This display right here will give us everything what we're doing right now. It's telling us all the brakes are off. This is each car. It's a display of each car, okay? The Trail Power Car is what you're in right now. Okay? That's the front. That's the first class. Alright? That's the lead power car. Okay, we'll get out of the screen real quick.
Yeah, we got a train simulator program on our computer, and they have this engine in there.
See, they give you all the numbers of the power cars in there. Okay. There we go.
Okay, yeah, we're used to that. I've seen that. Yeah, I've seen that screen before.
It's our speed right here. Right there, okay? It's the brake, reservoir pressure. It's telling us we got enough air. We got to be between a certain amount, okay? We okay? PSI pressure for the brake cylinder. The brakes are off right now because we're rolling.
Yeah.
Okay? You can always look at the speed. I'll tell you a little secret about this train.
Yeah.
If the engineer decides he wants to speed, his computer will tell him you cannot speed. It's going to slow him down automatically. It's like, say if I get in my car and I'm supposed to do 55, but I decide to do 80, this computer slows us down.
Doesn't it do a full stop?
No, it just slows them down.
Does it really?
Brings them down to
Okay, because on the computer program, it goes if you overspeed, it takes you to a full stop.
No, this one it can because it would take 3 miles to stop. It just break them down. It's going to give him a penalty to let him know you need to come back down to whatever you need to bring it down.
Okay.
If he don't bring it down, it brings him down by itself.
And of course, it records it so that they know that he was overspeeding.
Say like something happens to him, he's up there by himself. If you don't hit this button, it's on that side. He got a button he got to hit every 3 seconds, every 4 or 5 seconds.
The alert.
The alerter.
You know that, Tommy, right?
Yeah.
The alerter button.
If he don't do it, it will automatically stop. It will take 3 miles to stop.
Right.
At 125 miles. It will if you don't hit that button every time, and I say every 3 minutes, it will automatically stop this train because something may have happened to him. But we wouldn't know that.
If he passed out, then...
If he had passed out or whatever, or
Yeah.
fall asleep on us. Just past New Carrollton. Rocky, ain't it? Like a roller coaster. It takes a while to get used to, but people don't realize it's different up there.
Better on the front end?
Yeah, no, it's worse on the front end.
Is it really?
It shakes you.
That's
It's more
good.
like a feel like a roller coaster.
Huh.
You know, see how it is? But when you're in the seats, it's not as bad.
So now is it one engineer controlling it?
Yes, one engineer.
Okay. And so he's got access to that over on one of these
Yes,
screens?
that's his screen.
Yeah.
This is like a co-pilot.
Okay.
If I need to be over here to watch what he's doing or whatever.
Yeah.
You can pull up anything up here and find out what it's doing right now. Like that. Okay, let's see, like. Let's go. So that. And it just tells you, it gives you a readout what's going on. Let's go back to the same one.
So we're going almost 120, kid.
I know. I've never been on a train that went this fast.
That is great.
Okay, let's see that. I'll show you something else, which is kind of cool. You can regulate the temperature in each car. You say, like your dad says, too hot.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's see what's going on. There we go. Let's give us all the temperatures of the cars and everything, right? If the air conditioner is on or if the heater's on. Okay? And that's how you go back and regulate, turn it on, turn it off, or whatever. You know what's on and what's not. Some of the cars got the AC on right now. Or it's on auto. So switch back if it gets too cold. If it gets too hot. Check it out.
So now on the signals there, that's not showing what the actual signals are. That's only on the front end.
This is a trailer car now.
Yeah.
This car don't do anything. Everything is controlled from up front.
Okay.
Okay, even though you give you a display, it's not even giving you correct display. Everything is controlled up front, but you know, you're just able to switch to both ends.
Right.
Say if we hit the back to back, all he has to do is stop it, reverse it, put this as the lead power car. This is center track. This is our speed track. This is the track. Once you get on the center track is the one that you can do the fastest speed because you don't have to stop till Baltimore.
Is that about the highest speed you hit on this?
Yes, because of our regulations in the different states.
Right.
They said no, you will not come through our city doing 100 or our state doing 150.
Right.
It started with Connecticut. It was supposed to. It's really geared to do 150.
Well, you know what, though? I mean, I don't see what the deal is. I mean, everything's separated. I mean, you know,
Yeah, but they say
they're still worried about someone
walking
getting on the
out or
tracks.
whatever.
Yeah.
Even if they walk out, you're not going to stop it.
I know. Yeah. I mean, yeah. What's the difference once you're going this fast?
You know.
It ain't gonna matter.
See how safety it is? It's a little bit getting used to.
See up here, Tommy, they got the button for raising or lowering the pantograph.
Yeah.
That's the electric, the thing that hooks up to the electric lines.
The good thing about these two is if the pantograph is not working, say that the front one failed, which happened 2 nights ago. We lower that one and we raise this one.
Okay.
It's able to run off of this power car, that's the whole purpose of it.
Yeah.
With the other engine, if it mess up, you might be SOL if the whole thing goes.
Yeah.
So you actually piggyback off of another complete unit.
Yeah. So that's why you have the double engines rather than a cab car.
Yes. So it works out pretty good. Like the night before, the front one gave out on us, so we reversed it and we ran off of this one only.
Okay. Yeah, the guy who was sitting up here before, is he?
He's an employee.
What's that?
He's an employee.
Okay.
Hi, my man.
All right, let me get one still picture of you there.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
Go for it.
That was great.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip, guys.
Right here. There you go. Yeah. This one's this is ours. Okay.
That was neat.
How cool was that?